Hello and welcome to another Understand Your Buy video. In this video we're looking at the starter kit. So what is it? Well, the starter kit is all about creating a simplified version of your offering that's specifically designed for beginners, those new to your product or your service. How does it work? Well, it works because some buyers want the simplest, easiest way to access your offering or meet their needs. Not everyone needs or wants a sophisticated and far-reaching solution. Sometimes simplicity and the basics are more than enough, especially if it's the first time or they're just learning about your offering, your business, your product, your service, or they've just come across this particular challenge that you solve. So how can you use it? Well, depending on your offering, how could you simplify it into its most basic component parts, which would be the most relevant to a starter, a beginner, somebody who is new to your offering or new to the challenge that you resolve. So the starter kit is all about creating a simplified version of your offering, which is specifically designed for those who are new to your product or service or new to the challenge that you resolve. They have less resources and less understanding. Well, that's it for another Understand Your Buyer video. And if you like this kind of stuff, then you'll definitely like the book, which you can buy at understandyourbuyer.com.